everyone, welcome back to Garajavan. If you are new to Garajavan, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Today I am making a fish meal which can be done within 30 minutes of time. I made a very quick kingfish fry recipe. You can visit all of my kingfish recipes in my channel. Along with the kingfish fry, I have made a mackerel curry. In Konkani, we call it as Bangadachi Teppala Ambat. This is one of the versatile mackerel curry in Konkani cuisine. This authentic curry is made using coconut, coriander seeds, variegated red chili, Guntur red chili, and teppal. The main ingredient which gives the delicious flavor to the mackerel curry is the Szechuan pepper or the teppal as we call it in local language. To begin with, let's make the mackerel curry. Firstly, let's make coconut masala paste. You need coriander seeds, teppal, marble sized tamarind and turmeric powder, variegated red chili and Guntur red chili, half grated coconut, around 6 mackerel, medium sized, cleaned and cut. Let's roast the whole spices. I'm dry roasting them under low heat. Roast it for few seconds. While you dry roast it, you get the wonderful aroma of the Szechuan pepper or the teppal along with the spicy pungent smell of the roasted red chili. Cool the roasted spices and transfer it to a mixer jar. Add the grated coconut, turmeric powder, tamarind. Add adequate water and grind it to smooth fine paste. So here is your coconut masala paste ready. Now let's make the bangda curry. Here I have one medium sized onion finely chopped. I'm going to heat around 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and fry the onions until it is light brown in color. So here you can see that the onions have turned light brown. Add the coconut masala paste. Add water from the leftover masala from the mixer jar. Mix well. You can check the consistency of the gravy. If required, you can add some more water. I'm adding around 1 small cup of water again. Add salt as required. Now bring the gravy to a boil. Let it boil well. As the gravy has started to boil, I can get the wonderful aroma of the Szechuan pepper or the teppal. Now to the boiling gravy, we are going to add a little of chopped onions, grated ginger and green chilies. Let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes and now we'll be adding the cut mackerel pieces. See that the fish pieces are dipped into the gravy. Now we'll be cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes under low heat and then switch off the flame, close the lid and keep it aside for 5 minutes before serving. Here is your delicious Bangadachi Teppala Ambat ready. Next, let's quickly make a kingfish tawa fry. As mentioned earlier, you can find all of the kingfish recipes in my channel. This time for frying the kingfish, I am using a ready-made masala. Here I have taken around 6 slices of kingfish. Add some turmeric powder followed by hing powder or asafoetida powder. I am adding a little of ajwain. Add salt as required. Here is the SRR fish fry masala. You can also use this for prawns fry. You can find this masala powder in any of the local Mangalore stores. I am adding around 2 tablespoons of the fish masala powder. For binding, we'll be using 1 whole lime juice. Adding lemon juice enhances the flavor of the fish fry. Rub the masala well to the fish. As you keep applying to the fish slices, you can add some more fish masala powder and even lemon juice. So here you can see the masala is rubbed well on the fish slices. I'm going to keep it aside for 5 minutes. While the fish slice is kept aside, let's heat a little of coconut oil. Now let's fry the kingfish slices. You can apply some paste on the fish slice if required. Fry the fish for around 3 to 5 minutes gently under moderate heat. Now gently flip the fish and let it fry on the other side too. Now I'll be sprinkling some finely chopped curry leaves. Adding some chopped curry leaves adds a wonderful aroma to the fish fry. Flip the fish 1 or 2 times so that the curry leaves flavor gets infused in it. Here is your delicious kingfish tawa fry ready. Enjoy the kingfish tawa fry along with the mackerel curry along with the boiled rice. This is just yummy. I'm sure you loved the fish recipes. Please do try the recipes and do let me know your views in the comment box. Also, do not forget to subscribe to Garajavan and hit the bell icon. Enjoy the virtual picture of my fish meals. Thank you for watching. Bye.